to this session on scope of support for Pivotal TC Server and open source Apache Tomcat. These particular projects can be deployed across a variety of configurations. As you can see in the graphic, we support customers running on Tanzu application service, in containers on Kubernetes, and also on VMs or bare metal servers. And this is for both Tomcat and TC Server. The scope of support for these products is pretty straightforward. We support the standard installation, usage configuration, troubleshooting, performance issues, JVM tuning, that sort of thing. The caveats that come up for this product are that this covers troubleshooting, performance tuning, that sort of stuff for Tomcat itself. If customers are experiencing issues in their application code, or in a third-party library that they're using, then that would be outside the scope of what we can cover for the customer. That's an important kind of line to draw when you're helping a customer. If you're looking at heap dumps or if you're looking at profiling information, you want to make sure that the problem is happening in Tomcat or TC Server itself, and then that would be in scope. Similarly, we can help with bug fixes, but again, those would be limited to, issues that are coming up in TC Server or Tomcat. The kind of standard JVM tuning caveat applies here as well. We'll help customers with JVM tuning. We can often, improve, performance or garbage collection issues, but tuning is not something that will fix every single issue that comes up. And so we have to set expectations correctly with customers, in regard to JVM tuning. We'll help, we'll engage, we'll take a look, we'll provide some suggestions, but if we hit the end of what we believe we can do with tuning, the customer may need to revisit their application and make code changes to achieve better performance. Lastly, this one falls under the out of scope category. We support performance issues, we support customers that are having them, but we're not supporting customers that are going out with the intent of performance or stress testing TC Server or Tomcat itself. Performance issues that we would assist customers with would be things that come up in the day-to-day operations of their applications, through normal customer usage and even load testing, so long as the load testing is for the application itself and not, with the specific intent of trying to stress Tomcat or TC Server. So it's a bit of a fine line, but we want to just make sure that when there are performance issues that come up, that they're directed at the customer's application and not at Tomcat or TC Server itself. And that wraps up the discussion of scope of support for TC Server and Apache Tomcat. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our SPM team or one of the regional anchors. We can certainly help clarify any questions that might come up. Thank you.